Welcome to episode number 4 of the commercial designing. We are on the first floor, and what you see is the fresh brickwork which is completed till level 1. So, 4 feet is a level 1 what we are maintaining. Above 4 feet, there will be a layer of lintel with strengthening, and followed by the second layer, similarly repeated till the entire height, slab height. So, this is the peripheral brickwork which is getting completed. Now on the ground floor, as I mentioned, we are not doing much work. So what the pictures what you see are the floor which was given to us, I mean before the quota polishing, and successfully it took almost 9 days for me to get this achieved. So what you see here is a quota stone which is repolished, and it is repolished in the, I mean, outcome has come up really well, so very happy with the outcome. In fact, many of the neighbors in the adjoining shops feel that we had even changed the new flooring, but that's not the case. So guys, stay tuned for all such updates, and thank you so very much for motivating me in doing similar kind of series. So if you resonate with my content, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.